This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power down, unplug, and ground yourself so static won't damage the SSD. Open the case and identify an empty 2.5 bay or adapter for a 3.5 bay. This matters because proper mounting prevents vibration and cable strain. Once done, find an unused SATA port on the motherboard and a free SATA power connector from the PSU. Make sure cables are long enough and not routed across hot components, because airflow and neat routing keep temperatures down. Now mount the SSD securely. Align the drive, insert screws finger tight, and avoid crushing the chassis. Good seating prevents electrical shorts. Next, connect the SATA data cable to the SSD first, then to the motherboard port you identified. This order reduces stress on the connectors. Then plug the SATA power connector from the PSU into the SSD with a straight, firm push until it clicks or feels seated. Once connected, tuck cables to preserve airflow and close the case a little. Power on and enter BIOS or UEFI to confirm the SSD appears. This verifies connections before the OS loads. If it's a new drive, boot into your operating system and use disk management to initialize, partition, and format it so you can store files. If the SSD is not detected, make sure power is connected, swap the SATA cable or port, and try a different power connector. Occasionally updating the motherboard BIOS or checking jumpers, if present, resolves compatibility issues. One key tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.